सो मच सर। गुरुजी, आपने ये जो प्लेटफॉर्म दिया था हमको, हम सभी यूथ लोग इसको बहुत अच्छे से यूज कर रहे हैं सर। एंड इसी में हमारे साथ साई दिव्या फ्रॉम सेम प्रोद्दुटूर, वी हैव साई दिव्या। साई दिव्या, प्लीज अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ एंड Paima Divya. Yes, yes, I'm unmuting Sai Divya.
Yes, thank you so much, Vinaya.
Yes.
Hello, Guruji.
What's happening?
Yes, everything is going great. So it's been so long to talk to you. I'm so happy to see you, Guruji.
Wow.
Yes. So to share my experience, like I am doing this meditation since 2006. Uh,
2006.
yes, Guruji.
देखो पूनम पढ़ा.
So from that onwards, like I'm doing meditation, and after doing meditation, I have observed many changes in my studies and in my dance career. And
2006 is already 14 years. What is your age now?
it's 21, Guruji.
So since
my
12 years
God.
old, my goodness. देखो पूनम जी,
सर
ये है आंध्रा का हाल.
यस सर, आश्चर्यचकित है एकदम. हम तो एकदम देख देख के आश्चर्य हो रहे हैं.
मैं उनके गांव के पास, उनके गांव के लिए 100 बार गया मैं.
Yes,
100
Guruji.
times I have been there in Produttur.
बाप रे
100 times. क्या बोलते हैं आप?
आश्चर्य बढ़ता है सर. So much dedication.
92 से मैं वो गांव जा रहा हूँ. 100 times I must have gone. Produttur, the name. From Kadapa district in Andhra Pradesh.
Yes, sir.
There are so many masters in Kadapa district. My goodness. एक से बढ़कर एक.
एक से बढ़कर एक sir. No words.
तो बाबा आगे बढ़ो.
Yes, Guruji. So after doing meditation, I have observed many changes in as per the education, and in dance also. I have achieved many awards like Guinness World Record and Natya Mayuri Award, International Dancer Award. So these are all happened like after doing meditation. And in case of health, after by like whenever I started meditation, my mother told me only one thing, that is no medicine, no hospital. So from that day onwards, I stopped medicine, everything. So by meditation only, I have cured appendicitis, and while I was performing, I have gone through many fractures and ligament injuries. So that one also I have cured only with meditation, eye pyramid, and eye caps. So after that, like when I went to India, so I have seen new problems like loneliness or issues with the friends like that. So at that time, I started book reading. So at that present moment, book become my best friend. So at that time, I started book reading called The Secret, and from that moment, I started applying and I started sharing to everyone. So I learned like yourself is your best friend. You need not to depend on anyone others. So I learned that thing from the intern. And after when I went to BTech, so I forgot, like I
What are you
decreased my
studying?
sadhana.
What
Yes,
are you studying?
Guruji. BTech final year.
Your BTech final, my goodness.
Yes, Guruji. So after going to BTech, I decreased my sadhana. So as I decreased my sadhana, so everything, like every issue become like normal. So when I realized what happened, I came to know that I have decreased my sadhana and I have decreased like book reading. So as soon as I realized, I started again like doing more meditation and reading books and sharing with everyone. So up to that time, I feel like meditation is just like to purify myself. So in quarantine, my spiritual journey like expanded more. So in quarantine time, I started watching happy soul movies, happy science movies. So those movies literally impacted me a lot, and I learned that service is more important. So service is the purpose of life. Then I started thinking like, how can I start service? Like I can just give a classes. That's all. More than that, what I can do. So then I thought like, why I won't create my own chance? Like I started. Me and my friend just now talked Ruchita. So Ruchita and me started YouTube channel. So regarding this meditation, in every week we used to explain like what is meditation and what is uses of meditation and Yashodhara Mata life. So from that moment onwards, we started YouTube channel, and I also started converting audios like English books to Telugu. First, I have started the Buddha's Wife audios. When I started, I have observed so many changes. So I feel like Yashodhara Mata is always with me, and she's always with me in every aspect. So in while starting YouTube channel also, we don't know anything, but we feel like Yashodhara Mata conscious and Patriji conscious is always there with us. Even I got a dream like Patriji sir, like writing the topics. These topics you have to show on the YouTube. So when I got the dream, and I feel like yeah, definitely I have to do. So after 3 weeks, we got call from Venu Annaya, so that to join in Paima. So we were like very happy to join in Paima, because in Paima everyone's goal is same, like to teach meditation, to share the truth. So as we joined in the Paima, so we like we enjoyed anything, and we are like following the guidance of Venu Annaya and the Dhanashri Akka. So after that, I started listening life stories like Buddha's life story and Milarepa life story. Then it impacted me like not only service, sadhana is also more important. Then I don't know why there is from inner voice, it's saying like spend more time in pyramid room. We have a pyramid room, so spend more time in pyramid room. So on that time, I stopped sleeping in bedroom. So on that time, I started to sleep in pyramid room, and started doing meditation in pyramid room. After 1 week, I got inner voice like you have to do more sadhana. So try to do whole night meditation. So from last 7 days onwards, I was trying to do meditation for the whole night. So initially it was very difficult. Like I was up to second or 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, I able to do that. Then afterwards I'm sleeping. Then what I did, like as Shodhara Mata explained in the book, like you have to embrace your suffering, your pain. So I started embracing it, and I converted my pain into sadhana. So when I accepted it, like I'm able to do whole night meditation. And one more thing I need to tell, that right now I'm preparing for higher studies. So I think like sadhana is more important. That's why I'm like parallelly I'm practicing my dance, I'm practicing this Anapanasati, I'm practicing the teaching classes, and I also, as the parallel, I'm also preparing for my exams. Yes, Guruji. So you are the inspiration why I still like dancing, and I'm not like I want to be like multi-talented, just like you.
Wow, wow, wow. Poonamji, your expert comments.
सर, हम सब बहुत लकी हैं और अचंभित भी हैं और खुश भी हैं कि हर मंडे पायमा जुड़ रहा है. मतलब सोचा भी नहीं था कि इतने छोटे छोटे बच्चे, हमें तो शर्म आ रही है एक्चुअली कि हमने इतना काम कुछ किया ही नहीं है, कि ये छोटे छोटे बच्चे कितना कुछ फटाफट बोल रहे हैं, कितना कितना काम कर रहे हैं, इनके अंदर कितना जज्बा है, कितने डायनामिक है ये. सर हम लोग भी काम कर रहे हैं पर जब होगा, नया टीम बनाया सर हम लोग भी पायमा में. शिवांगी, इनाया, प्रियांशी, रिति सब कर रहे थे. 4 जन को हमने और जोड़ा है, वो है ईशा, भावना, आभा और इंदिरा. सर शायद से कुछ हम लोग कर पाए. ब्यूटीफुल सर, अमेजिंग, एक्सीलेंट, miraculous.
She's a very good dancer. I saw her dance.
Yes, Guruji, can I do for 1 minute?
Oh my God.
Please do it. Please do it.
Yes.
Is it visible, Guruji?
Yes,
Yes.
Yes. Taddittag janutam, taddittag janutam, taddittag janzitta, dimita, kitaka talang, mutaka tikutaka tadikina taditta, dimita, kitaka talang, mutaka tikutaka tadikina taditta, dimita, kitaka taditta, dimita, kitaka ditta, dimita. tadikina tadikina. Yes, thank you, Guruji.
Wow, 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 wow.
I have to say that like 3 months back, I had a leg injury while I was performing on stage. So after 3 months, you all can see the result.
कैसे
Huh?
कैसे इतना काम, इतनी छोटी बच्चियां लोग इनके अंदर ये भावना, हाउ?
How about that half-minute dance? Huh?
Yes, sir.
How about the half-minute dance?
It's beautiful, sir. और मुंह से वो बोल भी रही थी.
देखो.
Beautiful, sir. ये तो मैंने अभी तक नहीं देखा था, इस तरह का काम, इस तरह का जज्बा. लास्ट टाइम भी वो हर्षिता, इंद्रानी एंड वैष्णवी, इन तीनों ने भी बहुत आश्चर्यचकित किया था. ये तो उनसे भी भड़के निकली, मतलब हर एक कोई एक दूसरे से भड़के ही निकल रहा है.
सर मैंने सोचा बिना म्यूजिक के साथ कैसे डांस करेगी करके सोचा, लेकिन वो ऐसा बात करते ही डांस कर रहा था. साई दिव्या, यू वर अमेजिंग रियली. सर वन मोर थिंग, सर शी गॉट Guinness World records also, Guinness Book of World Records. She got into that also, sir. Actually, she danced very well, and they gave her a Guinness World Record also. Thank you so much, Sai Divya. That was a beautiful sharing, and thank you. You will. I wish you will keep on spreading this wisdom to all the youths and sharing this knowledge to everyone.
Yes,
And-
sir. Yeah, all.
सर आई रिक्वेस्ट वेन्यू दैट प्लीज आप कोलकाता के यूथ को अपने साथ जोड़ लीजिए.
जी जी, जरूर जरूर, श्योर मैडम, श्योर.
फिर उन लोग भी ऐसे ही हो जाएंगे, मजा आएगा.
जी जी, पाइमा में जो लोग आएगा पत्री जी के जैसे बन जाएगा. हमारा गुरु जी का अनदर प्लेटफॉर्म है. मतलब पाइमा इक्वल्स टू गुरु जी, मतलब गुरु जी जो करेगा,
Yes.
जो बोलेगा वही पाइमा है.
यस 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 यस.
Yes, madam. So, madam, we have another youth from Visakhapatnam. There is a place called Araku. That means it calls another Ooty. You know Ooty, right? So
Yes,
another
yes.
Ooty of Andhra Pradesh. They say
Okay.
that place like that. So from that place, it is a very tribal place. From that place, we have a guy from there, and his name is Mahesh. He is with us today.
Okay.
He recently he stays with us in Paima head office. So
Okay.
recently what he did was he did 40 days silence. Matlab he went on silence for 40 days continuously, no break. 40 days silence and mitahara, that means less food and mitahara and 40 days silence continuously. Imagine, as a youth, there is no one who can do like that. I mean, there are people, but it is very difficult for youth to maintain that, because there is PUBG, there is YouTube videos, Facebook, everything is there, but still he managed to be in silence for 40 days and he completed very successfully. And you know what? For that, he reduced his weight for 10 kgs. That was his main goal actually, but he really did very well. Sir, I'm introducing Mahesh to you, sir. Mahesh, actually, he doesn't know how to speak. He doesn't know to speak in Telugu. I mean, in English and Hindi. So he will speak in Telugu, so we can translate.
Yeah.
So Mahesh, unmute yourself, Mahesh.
Okay.
Yes.
చెప్పు నాయనా.
నమస్కారం సార్.
నమస్కారం బాబా.
నా పేరు మహేష్ సార్. నేను పెట్టగొండ నుండి వచ్చింది సార్. ఇలాగా
పెట్టుకోవడం
వైజాగ్ లో పైమా ఆఫీస్ లో కెమెరామెన్ గా వర్క్ చేస్తున్నాను సార్ నేను.
మంచిది నాయనా. He comes from the, I am translating. He comes from a village called Pettukodalu. Okay. Pettukodalu is a village, a very, very remote village, where all people have become vegetarians. And all the people of the village, they built a big pyramid with their own hands. And all are meditators. in that small village, Pettugodalu. He comes from that kind of village. Now he is working in the Paima office in Vizag. Continue, Baba. I am translating for you.
సార్ నేను 40 డేస్ ఛాలెంజ్ చేసింది సార్. నాకు వేరన్నా 40 డేస్ ఛాలెంజ్ చేయమని చెప్పారు. చేయమంటే ఏంటి ఇలాగా చేయమంటారు, వర్క్స్ అన్ని ఉంటాయి కదా అనేసి నేను ఒకేసారి స్టార్ట్ చేశాను సార్. ఫస్ట్ డే స్టార్ట్ చేసినప్పుడు మితాహారం తీసుకుంటున్నాను సార్. నేను చాలా ఆకలి వేసింది సార్. నాకు మౌనం అంటే ఏంటి, ఇలాగా రోజు ఆకలిగా ఉండేసి మౌనం చేయడం అంటే ఇదేంటి అనుకున్నాను సార్.
మితాహారం అంటే ఏం తీసుకున్నావు నువ్వు?
మితాహారం అంటే వాటర్ సార్, వాటర్, ఫ్రూట్స్, కొంచెం టిఫిన్ సార్, ఇడ్లీ, సింగిల్ ఇడ్లీ అలా తీసుకున్నాను సార్.
So he started this vrata with mauna with mitahara. 1 or 2 idlis per day, that's all.
पूरे दिन में?
पूरे दिन के लिए. చెప్పనైనా
తర్వాత రోజు 2 డేస్ అలా 4 డేస్ కంటిన్యూ చేస్తున్నాను సార్. అలా కంటిన్యూ చేస్తున్నప్పుడు చాలా ఆనందంగా ఉంది సార్ మౌనం చేయడం వల్ల. మౌనం వల్ల నాలో యాక్సెప్టెన్స్ అనేది పెరిగింది సార్. 10 మంది 10 రకాలుగా మాటలు అంటున్నా సరే నాలో తెలియని ఒక ఫీలింగ్ సార్. అంటే వాళ్ళకి యాక్సెప్టెన్స్ అనేది తెలిసింది సార్ నాకు.
First few days he felt very, very hungry, but slowly he overcame it. Then he was in mitahara and also in silence. First, when people were talking, he was tempted to talk, but he controlled that. It was very difficult for him in the beginning to control his hunger and to control his penchant to talk. Continue, Baba. Chepanaina.
అలా 40 డేస్ నేను ఛాలెంజ్ చేస్తున్నప్పుడు అలా పైమ ఆఫీస్ ఉన్న వాళ్ళందరికీ నేనే కుకింగ్ చేస్తాను సార్. రోజు కుకింగ్ చేస్తున్నప్పుడు ఆ స్మెల్ అది భరించలేక తిందాం అనిపించేది సార్. అలాంటప్పుడు కూడా నేను మౌనం వల్ల, మితాహారం తీసుకున్న వల్ల కంట్రోల్ చేసుకుంటూ రోజు అలాగే వాళ్ళు కుక్ చేస్తూ నా ఎడిటింగ్ వర్క్స్, ఫోటోగ్రఫీ చేస్తూ చాలా చక్కగా చేస్తున్నాను.
All these 40 days when others were eating, so he controlled himself. When he saw others eating, he controlled himself, and others speaking, he controlled his own speaking. 40 days were over like this. Yes, Baba. Chepanaina.
అలా చేస్తున్నప్పటికీ కూడా నాలో అంటే మౌనం వల్ల నాకు చాలా ఎనర్జీ, అంటే మౌనం చేస్తున్నప్పుడు చాలా ఎనర్జీ వస్తుంది సార్. మౌనం వల్ల అంటే అందరితో మాట్లాడుతున్నాం కదా, రోజు మాట్లాడకపోతే ఆ తెలియని ఎనర్జీ అంటూ వస్తుంది సార్ నాకు.
He found that by not speaking for 40 days, he conserved a lot of energy. Bundles and bundles of energy he conserved. Yes.
రోజు చేస్తున్న నాలో ఒక తెలియని ఒక ఆనందం సార్. రోజు ఏంటి ఇలా చేస్తున్నప్పుడు ఎంత ఆనందంగా ఉంది ఆ మెడిటేషన్ అంటే. చాలా హ్యాపీగా అలాగా రోజు కంటిన్యూ చేస్తున్నాను సార్. రోజు అంటే కంటిన్యూ చేస్తూ అలాగా ఉన్నాను సార్.
So because of great energy, he found great inner ananda. So this is the experience for 40 days of mitahara and silence. क्या है पूनम जी?
सर ब्यूटीफुल है सर. लोगों को दुख से आंख में आंसू आते हैं, किसी को खुशी से आंख में आंसू आते हैं. मुझे आश्चर्य से आंख में आंसू आ रहे हैं. कितने छोटे छोटे बच्चे क्या क्या कर रहे हैं सर, जो हम लोग अभी भी नहीं कर पा रहे.
देखो 1 इडली और 2 इडली से पूरा 40 दिन.
यस सर. और कितना कंट्रोल किया इसने.
ये गांव का बच्चा, बिल्कुल गांव का बच्चा, ट्राइबल विलेज. मैं उनके गांव के बाद 15 बार गया. मैं
बाप रे.
I had been to that village 15 times.
सर आप हमारे घर में आके रह जाओ तो हमारा भी ऐसा ही उद्धार हो जाएगा.
Okay, Harshita, speak again. Harshita.
Yes, sir. We have Ashita.
गुड मॉर्निंग सर। सर अभी एवरी वीक तीनों लोग पाइमा से बात करना चाहते हैं सर। लास्ट वीक हो गया एंड स्टिल यू रिमेम्बर्ड माय नेम। ये तो बहुत ही खुशी की बात है सर। एंड फ्रॉम द मंडे
उधर लिखा हुआ है हर्षिता बोल के, वो पढ़कर मैं देख कर पढ़ कर बोल रहा हूँ।
जैसे हम सब लोग एक से बढ़कर एक, सभी एक है, आगे चल रहे हैं सर। इतने क्लासेस टिल मंडे से आज तक मैं इतने फोन्स आए थे। पीएमसी एक जब पीएमसी इंग्लिश वाले करे थे, पीएमसी हिंदी से आया था, और एक स्पिरिचुअल पिरामिड टाइम्स वाले सॉफ्टवेयर कंपनी वाले कर रहे थे सर फोन। तो आपकी क्लास होना है मैडम, आप पत्री जी से इतना अच्छा बात करे। पता नहीं सर मैं कैसे बात कर रही हूँ। सभी लोग बोलते हैं ये लड़की कैसे बात कर रही है, लेकिन मैं जब देखती हूँ तो हर पिरामिड मास्टर ऐसा ही बात करता है। हम लोग ऐसा ही रहते हैं। बहुत आश्चर्यचकित हो जा रहे हैं सर, दुनिया पूरा बहुत खुश है सर। हम सभी लोग कितना खुश है कि आप देख रहे हैं वो डांस, एक जनो डांस करते हैं, एक जनो गाने गाते हैं, और मैं भी डांसर हूँ सर। डांस करती हूँ, कविताएं लिखती हूँ, बातें करती हूँ। अभी सब कुछ सब ऑलराउंडर्स हो जाते हैं सर। एक फील्ड में यूता रुक नहीं जाता है सर। यूता तो सब कुछ कर सकता है। हम सब कुछ कर सकते हैं और करके बता रहे हैं, सभी को, दुनिया को दिखा रहे हैं सर।
अरे वाह उस्ताद।
और एक छोटी सी मैसेज आज 3 बजे रात मुझे आई थी सर, कि अभी सभी लोग बताते हैं कि एक पत्थर को पॉलिश करने से डायमंड बनता है। नहीं, डायमंड कभी डायमंड ही होता है, लेकिन जो अनवांटेड डस्ट आता है और डस्ट को हटाने से और डायमंड का शाइनिंग आ जाता है सर। हम पत्थर नहीं है, हम ऑलवेज डायमंड है। तो डायमंड कभी शाइन हो जाता है सर।
अरे वाह।
जी सर।